Hey, good day. Welcome to the new topic of wealth creation. Why I am calling it is a wealth creation is most important perpetual way of creating the wealth in a right way. What is the major core of creating of a wealth and generating of a wealth in a right way, in a right pattern is a most important factor. Why I am calling it as a most important factor means we as an individual we need to gather every information in a right way, and we need to take that information in a right pattern so that we can able to implement in a right way, so that our lives to be grow in such a way where we can think about our lives to be stupendous in a good manner of life supremacy. Why I am calling it as supremacy is our lives to be good enough, our lives to be wealthy enough, our lives to be happy enough. So these are all the concepts where it will be useful, and where we can able to understand the situations, what are the major consequences is happening in a daily basis, what are all the things is happening in a daily basis is major in our life. Everybody is thinking that most misconceptions what we really think about. So I'm giving today the most important golden nuggets of misconceptions which is common in nature, that is common misconceptions of reality of wealth. Why I'm calling it as most common misconceptions means where everybody have an individuality of reality of gaining of information in a right way is also is a major concept. So I clearly decoded the major concepts where I'm giving the informations to you about the major nuggets where the individual can involve, where the individual can inculcate, so that definitely we can able to grab every information about a wealth and the conceptions as of now what we have in our minds, what we have in our mindset, what we have already from childhood, our elders and our circumstances as implanted in our mind. So common misconceptions about reality of wealth. So I'm giving the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 golden nuggets which is to be implemented in a life where our lives to be go like anything in a space of in the space of wealth, where we can able to grab every information in a right way. So please, if it is very useful for every individuals. Here I am decoding the things, the nuggets where we need to utilize, where we need to have a concepts about the things. The first, the most important golden nugget is you don't need big capital to start making wealth. I'm repeating you, the most important thing, you don't need big capital to start making wealth. Why I'm calling it is as almost all the wealthy persons don't have. I think you know everybody, every successful person, every millions of earned persons in the world now, in the society now, you know, like example, Steve Jobs is there, Jeff Bezos is there, Elon Musk is there, and Bill Gates are there, Michael Jordan, etc. These are all the big champions in their own areas. Steve Jobs is Apple CEO, and Jeff Bezos is Amazon CEO, and Elon Musk is as a multi companies like SpaceX, Boring Company, Tesla companies, like that. They have a different types of companies that they have established with zero investments. How they have invested? Only the thing is they have a confidence in nature. They have multiple talent, how to identify the major codes and how to identify the major areas where the biggest problem is happening in the world. So identification of the right thing in a right way, so that you can able to grab anything, everything can be possible in a life. So that is a major concept in a life where we can able to understand these situations to be adopted in a right way, so that we can able to manage anything, you can able to mingle anything, you can able to achieve anything. So we as an individual, we need to have such credibility, we need to have such implant of knowledge in our minds, so that everything can be possible in life. So all are human beings, everybody knows this, but Only the matters is how we need to execute, how we need to implement the thought process in a right way, what we want. So you don't need big capital to start making wealth. Why I call this as golden nugget is, we don't want any millions of rupees, we don't want any million thousands of rupees for doing of any business, of doing of any implementation of creating of wealth. Only the thing is our thought process, only our thing is our belief system, what we want to be, how we want to be, and when we want to be. So we need to have a clear picture, we need to have a clear goal in the particular time frame, so that the time zone end goal has to be created. Definitely we can able to manage anything in a right way. So please concentrate on those areas. Definitely we can able to manage anything, you can able to grab anything. So this is the reason I'm calling this the first golden nugget of misconceptions about reality of a wealth. And the second most important is, you don't need to make technical giant like ideas to be rich. So everybody knows I'm not so big like Steve Jobs, I'm not so big like Elon Musk, I'm not so big like Michael Jordan. I don't have such knowledge to think, I don't have such informations to be gathered, I don't have any circumstances. These are all the misconceptions. So how we need to identify those things, how we need to manage those things, how we need to mingle those things. Simple ideas can make you rich. Nowadays in a digital era, everything can be possible, only we need to search what we want. First we need to understand and think what we want. This is the biggest challenge in a life. So think on the particular area what you want to become. If you want to become rich, you will be rich. If you want to become great, you will become great. If you want to become good, you can become good. If you want to become learned, you can be learned at any time. So why and what is exactly required in your thought process. So what exactly you want, you just reanalysis and rethink about your brain, so that you question your brain. Our brain has such capacity, such capable, we can ask questions, the answers automatically will come. So we never ask our brains to give the exact answers, because we are busy with different so-called works in the daily rat race. So we don't ask the right questions, only our whatever the self-employeds or the businessmen or whoever our bosses will say, will follow that. So that's why we are running in a rat race from 9 to 6 job, 9 to 8 job. So we don't think like this. So if you think like smart enough, you will be get smart enough. If you want to be great at, you will be great at. So you don't need to make technical giant like ideas to be rich. You want to be great at about your thinking. You want to be great at what you want. You ask anything to your brain, the answer will come. Only the thing is, we are not asking the right question to our brain. So right question, the answer will come automatically. So please think about this area. That's why I call this second golden nugget. And the third golden nugget is, wealthy people are not wasteful. They care about spending even 1 rupee or 1 cent. Why I am calling this is, I think you have come across most of the people, most of the rich people think that they have crores of rupees, they have lots of millions of rupees, but they are not spending. They are very concessive. So they are not able to even spare $10 or $20 or $30 of unnecessary things. They spend the money like they spend the money, each and every penny what they earn. They will think that the earned is very respectful. They have the such credibility of that particular dollar, particular amount, particular rupees, so that they know how hard they earn the money, how hard they get that particular rupees into my wallets. So basing on those areas, they are very much particular about the things. That's why they are very particular about spending of each and every rupee for any necessary things or unnecessary things. Why they are spending and how they are spending and what type of spends they are taking care on a daily basis or monthly basis, they have a clear picture path. So that's why I call this as a third golden nugget. I think you come across most of the individuals like this behavior, but actually they are very care about their money. They are care about the money. So those who cares, their money will be in their bank balances. So why this is the major third reason I call it is as a third golden nugget. And the fourth golden nugget is never get into debt. Never ever get into debt. So we have everybody, we have a lot of debts. We have a credit cards debt, we have a car loans debt, we have a home loans debt, we have personal loans debt, we have a consumer loans debt. So every debts we have in our life, but how to overcome that and how to manage that debt in a right way, that is the thought process. So we are taking a credit card loan for 1 lakh rupee or 2 lakhs rupees, and if the amount is building on a month on month, we will take another loan to pay off the first credit card loan. So these are the major consequences is happening in every individual. Most of the 100 members, at least 50 to 60 members are going through these situations. I think you just question yourself. Definitely anybody is having these type of come across these type of situations. So please understand why I'm calling this golden nugget. You don't be into the part of the debts. Never, don't take off any debts, and need to have plan and a right way how we need to manage. Whatsoever the reason, don't be in the debt. If persist as slow, think about good debt and a bad debt. What is a good debt and what is a bad debt? Accordingly, you just take the dates and have a plan. What is good debt and what is bad debt? I'm giving another video. Just go and see that video. Just I'm giving the concept here. You just have a good debt. Just I'm giving the two concepts. Good debt is the total amount coming into the pocket, and bad debt is the total amount going out from your pocket. This is the major things you need to concentrate about the debt. So in-depth knowledge about this topic, if you want, you just go and subscribe my YouTube channel, or my just listen my podcast, or I'm giving this links description below. Just go and have a look about these things. So because of only this reason, I'm giving this as a fourth golden nugget. So, and coming to the fifth golden nugget is no showing off. Why I'm calling it is a no showing off? Because we know, if you got a salaried person or a business person, if you have a bank balance of 1 lakh rupee or 2 lakhs or 10 lakhs rupees, first we think that our mind process will see that what we need to purchase. The Apple 12 has been released. We can go and purchase Apple 12. We can go and purchase one new great watch which has been released, or unnecessary gadgets we are going to plan and will purchase that, but there is no use of that particular gadgets. So think about these scenarios where we are able to manage, or where we are able to gather all those things. So maximum people will fall under this category. I don't want to emphasize this. It will be hard, but this is truth. You think the vehicles, clothes, definitely whatsoever the reasons I already given to you in the earlier. So please, no showing off. You have a clear picture. This month I need to save this month. This particular period I need to attain this financial freedom. For this particular 3 months or 6 months or 8 months, I need to grab my financial stability into the bank account in a right way. That is the major core value what I am pursuing. That should be the grit we need to have. So if we have such grit, definitely we can able to see that we don't see any showing offs, purchasing unnecessary things like gadgets, vehicles, necessary peripherals. So please be intact with this topic of golden nugget. So because of only this reason, I'm calling this as a golden nugget of fifth point for no showing off. And I'm giving the next golden nugget is do not tell anyone you are rich. You will regret it. I'll assure you, because you don't tell. Maximum rich people never ever tell that they are rich. whatsoever the money you have in the bank balances are in assets, just rewire yourself, rethink yourself, and re-evaluate yourself how we need to double that particular amounts, how I need to double that particular assets into the next generation of years, or for your freedom purpose, how you need to manage and how you need to evaluate yourself to the next level. That is the major core value you need to adopt in a right way. So please concentrate on these areas. Definitely you can able to grab anything. And the next common golden nugget is, if your loved ones are big spenders, then learn to say no until you achieve your target. So please concentrate on those areas wherever you are having, wherever you are concentrating, wherever you are planning to spend something, rethink that what is my budget, what I have planned in my bank balances is available or not, and think about those areas. Specific set of goals to be set for every aspect of spending, and have a clear picture what you are spending. So we have a clear picture what we are spending and how much money we have in the bank balances, so that we can able to grab every penny for future purpose. So for our individual purpose, for our self improvement purpose, for our self reliant purpose. So please concentrate on those areas. These are the major nuggets where we need to concentrate about major contribution towards our creation of the wealth to the next level, to creating of this wealth to the next level. So because of only these reasons, because of only these conceptions, we as a team, we as a particular persons, we as an individual persons, definitely we can able to grab any information, any concepts of doing the things in a right way, in a right matter, in a right time, will showcase ourselves to the next level of wealth creation. So please concentrate, have a think, and you think that you can able to do anything. The only I'll always say that we become what we think about. We become what we think about. So always we need to think in a right way, where we can able to have a great conception, great concepts, great topics, and a great works about a wealth, where we need to concentrate, where we need to involve, where we need to grab opportunities, and working on that particular pattern, so that definitely we can able to involve and manage everything in a life. So the concept is most effective way, the concept is most effective in nature. So please work on and continuously have a grab everything. So these are the major things what I would like to share, all the informations in a major criterias. These are the major informations about common misconceptions about reality of wealth. The reality of wealth is the things where we need to concentrate, and why we need to concentrate, and what we are need to concentrate in a right way, in a right time. That is the major core. So the core has to be inculcated, the core has to be involved into our mind share. Definitely we can able to achieve anything in a life. So please concentrate on these major parameters. Don't show off, don't be in a debt, and don't tell anybody you are rich, and don't waste even one penny of your life, and you don't think that you want a huge money to become in a wealth. Only the thing is you need your thought process and think process. Thought process is the major criteria, and the ideas to be great at what idea you are involving, and which area you are involving is also major important criteria. So please understand on those areas. Definitely you can able to grab. Hope this video is useful to you. If you are learn something, please go on comment about the learnings today, and give your comments what you learned today. So if you want more videos like this, please go and subscribe my YouTube channel Madhu Kodidala. And also I have created one VIP group channel. Those who want to be enhance their skills in the wealth and personality area, go and join there, which is absolutely free. VIP Facebook channel, personality growth channel is there. The link which has been given in the description. And also I created one beautiful PDF for wealth, which is the worth of 2,999 rupees. I am giving absolutely free to you because you have seen this video till the end. So go and click that link and have a download there and view about the things. Thank you very much. I think it is very useful for you about the golden nuggets what I shared till now. Thank you very much. Have a great day. This is Madhu Kodidala, Passive Wealth Expert. Thank you very much.